So this is kind of an interesting thing to show off. This is a portable version of Aomi Backupper, which is compatible with Windows Server. I am going to create, and I think this is how I transferred it originally from my computer to the thing, as I'm testing all sorts of different hardwares and technologies and concepts and shit. I used this already to get it here in the first place. So let's do a full, I don't know if I want a system back. Yeah, let's do system. We'll do a system backup and we'll utilize my network. This is the desktop IP right now on the network that you're seeing me in. This is my main machine. We'll say my backup. Is this still a backup? Maybe not. We'll just put it in here. It might already be. May already be still there, not deleted, but I'm going to do it anyways because this looks like it's almost done installing Windows. So what I'm doing here is this instance of Windows I got is being backed up through backup software that allows you to either clone drives, copy systems over, synchronize files, and even migrate operating system installations to new hardware. And it allows me to do stuff like take one installation of the same OS to another and simply restore it. And I have an interesting way of doing that too. So it'll be worth showing you guys. I'll be back when this is done. So, Rye, I know you're watching this. I was just talking to you a moment ago. You asked me, once it's fully set up, how many physical machines you'll be running. This is the moment in time where you said that in IRC at the time of this recording. I was waiting for this to hit 100%. Anyways, so this is now backed up through the network onto my desktop via Aomi. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. And let's see what's going on here. I didn't quite finish the installation here. I got a little distracted. So if we take this, I don't need to worry about any of the setups and stuff really, or any tweaks, because the system restoration process is going to take care of that for me, as it's going to bring back everything that was going on that machine. It's also useful if you had something that was, say, on a 60 gig drive, transferred into a 40 gig drive. A lot of stuff doesn't like to play nice with that. That software does. All right, go ahead and connect to the network drive. While that kind of does this little finishing thing, I have Aomi here on my desktop computer. I'm going to fire that baby up. So here it is. This is on my desktop. Because I'm using the Technician Edition, I have this tool here, this PXE boot tool, which I guess a lot of people pronounce as PXE, as PXE, whatever. I can click here, but I'm just going to do like this instead. And right there it is. The actual ISO for the AOME Windows PE boot disk that I made with the tool in the past. So what this is going to do is initialize and then start a PXE server on my network off my desktop without any fucking configuring or shit. And actually, I don't even need to worry about this doing a damn thing, really. Now that I think about it, do I even have to have installed anything? I guess not. Because when I think about it, I didn't need an operating system. I just... Well, that's what being tired as fuck will do to you. So let's go ahead and reset. Going in the boot menu by hitting escape within that split second, it lets you. Now, normally you might choose like CD-ROM or whatever, but in this case, booting off the network card, and it should discover that PXE. There it goes. Now it's going to load that ISO, at which point I go through the network and restore from what we made a moment ago. There it goes. I didn't need to install Windows Server or anything. I just needlessly showed you guys the process, what it would look like. What is going through my head? But then this recording makes no sense either. Like, what the hell was the plan? There is no plan. I'm just fucking recording myself doing whatever. But there's all sorts of random information in here, and it's going to be completely disorganized. Right now, I'm showing you how to restore systems and stuff, or transfer them to new hardware and things of that nature, buried deep within the rest of the fucking video. And this is AOME backup. This is, again, booted. This is now running in a Windows PE environment with their special software crap. And unlike some of the other tools I like to use, the network interface actually works. When I use EaSys to do backup, which is my main desktop solution for system backups, it doesn't like it restoring off the network. It's there. It claims it. It lets you try. It doesn't work. It's never worked for me. Same with Paragon and a few other odds and ends I've tried. Now I just have to remember where the fuck I saved that shit. Oh, wait, I think I do. I put it in my backups under temp. I think it was this guy, right? Yep. There it is. That's the backup we just created off the other server. Hit OK. Program detects a selected backup as a system image. Would you like to do a system restore? Yes. And in this case, they call it a universal restore, which is a form of OS migration. God damn it. We have to do this over. Yep. So I really didn't need to install Windows Server at all. It was detrimental because it created an extra partition on there, and AOME doesn't play nice with that. It doesn't let you adjust partitions and stuff and the way it backs things up. So I actually just deleted that volume and created this one. There it goes. So now there's literally a fresh 40 gig drive, so to speak. And we're going to just repeat this process. That's part of why I'm recording this. Go to my network boot, do this bullshit again.